In this Device Doctor video, I'll show you how to easily connect the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-C5890 printer to Wi-Fi. Let's get started.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, power on the printer and give it a moment to fully start up. Wait until it enters ready mode and is completely prepared for setup. Now that the printer is fully ready, you will see the Wi-Fi option at the top of the touchscreen display. Simply tap on it to continue. At this point, two connection options will appear on the screen. The first option connects the printer to a router for network printing, while the second option, Wi-Fi Direct, establishes a direct wireless connection between the printer and your phone. Now, tap on the Wi-Fi Direct option, then select Start Setup to activate the printer's Wi-Fi. Now the printer's Wi-Fi is activated. Here you will see the printer's name, its Wi-Fi network name, and the printer's IP address. Now, you need to learn how to find the Wi-Fi password and how to disable Wi-Fi, which is very simple. Just tap on the option we mentioned on the right side. Here, you can see the options to change the printer name, change the Wi-Fi password, and turn off the Wi-Fi connection. Now, tap on the Change Password option to view the password. We will change it to 1 to 8 for easy access and to avoid forgetting it. However, if you are working in an environment where security and cybersecurity are important, please avoid using an easy password for your Wi-Fi. As you can see, we easily changed the password to 1 to 8. You can also set your own preferred password. Now that you know the printer's name and password and the Wi-Fi is activated, simply connect your mobile device to the printer's network. Now, connect your phone's Wi-Fi to the printer. For the printer, you can also use the Epson iPrint app, which provides professional features and great tools for printing directly from your mobile device. Now, in the next part of the video, we'll connect the mobile device to the printer and demonstrate the printing process. You can download the Epson iPrint app to take full advantage of its professional features. The download link is provided in the description. However, please note that this app may not be available in some countries via Google Play. To make it easier for you, we've shared the app on our Telegram channel, where you can download it effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support Device Doctor.